Hello, my peeps, and welcome to day 12, our final day. Oh, it's been so much fun. Um, Now, I'm just going to do a smaller recap this time because we're going to get the big one at the end. Um, I screwed up because I got all excited. So, day 10 was the shaker bag of goodness, and day 11 was the glitter goop, better known as dazzling details. So I've changed the order of the video, so you would have watched them in order. But if you're confused because I said different days at the beginning of them, it's because I'm a big child at heart and I got very excited and I went right to day 11. So, let's see what day 12 is. Okay. Now, this should be easy because there's only one box left to open. So I should open the right square. I just, it occurs to me now. I said yesterday I'm not sure because there's this great plastic tray underneath with all these so when you're die cutting and getting stuff prepped, these things would be awesome. These little trays. Or do I want to keep them in the box or do I want to reuse the box? But now as I look at it, look at how pretty number 12 is, right? Like these doors are great and you could pop, especially number 12. Look at that. Pop it off, trim the little ragged edge off from the perforations and use these on your cards and projects. Oh, so many things to do. So many things to do. Let's get to number 12. And you'll notice I have finally figured out how to ambidextrously open these little doors. It does help if you kind of start around the corner a little bit. Okay, day 12. Here we go. Of course, now that I say that, I can't do it. There we are. Day 12. We're seeing it at the same time. Ooh. Sorry, that bounced back. That ripped. There we go. That one did not tear as cleanly. Oh, you guys, these are... Oh, my goodness, we got two things in there. I thought it was just the thing on top, but no, there's two. Yeah, Tracey will get it out soon. Okie dokie. Look at this, guys. Day 12. Oh, I thought it was vellum. It is not vellum. It's even better. Oh, you know how I told you my little flower child heart got excited about the shaker package? There are little pieces of embossed cardstock. And look at this one. It's the little fleurs. Oh, so those total little flower child flowers. There's 3 of those. And, oh, look at this. Is so pretty. And these, again, I would think would be the 3x4. Yep. Look at this one. This one is very much like the DSP. This little embossed piece of cardstock. Oh, those are pretty. So there's 3 each of those 2 designs. And then, yeah, these, I think I would call these die cuts. Oh, there's round ones versus ephemera. The ephemera, I think, is specifically the pre-painted, and these are just, oh my god, these are pretty. These are the I'm going to call these delicate die cuts because these are delicate die cuts. Oh my goodness, look at these. I love these tucked in stuff. Okay, so first off, there's some more labels in the background, which I didn't see at first, but they're, try not to rip anything. They're holding the whole thing together. So there's a bunch of big circles. And then we have some leaves. There's that same flower again that somebody's going to tell me what it is. I might actually have to go Google. Compound flower. Oh, look at this. There's leaves. There's flowers. And these are the cool die cuts where if you put them one way, they're sort of all white. But if you put them the other way, you get almost like a wooden edge on them. Oh, okay. This is what I'm trying to get to without breaking it. Holy cow, these are the prettiest pieces. Look at these 2 wreaths. Oh, there's 3 wreaths. That's why they're... Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. There's 3 of them. So, and here, I'll do it this way because you can kind of see. Let me just find another... Just a minute. Let me find another piece of cardstock so I can... We're going to go with the very vibrant something shamrock. What is it called? Okay, so there is the wreath. So you can kind of see. See, this one has more of the crumb cake or the wooden looking edges, and this is the white. But there's 3 of these little wreaths, which are gorgeous, and all the rest of the delicate die cuts. Okay, so I had an idea, but now that I actually have these out, I have to put them back in the bag. So so I don't wreck them when I do the next part that I was going to do. Alrighty. Here we go. Completely unrehearsed. Completely untalented. But let's give it a try. Okay, so embossed 3x4 sheets. And some delicate die cuts. Okay, let's see if it works. You know, I'm going to move the box out of the way because I think it's just gonna be too much. Excuse me. 12 delicate die cuts, 11 glitter goops, I'm going to call it that, 10 shaker bags, oh, where my thing goes, 9 ephemera and cards, 8 rolls of twine, so that's not going to work, it's in the same case, 7 label dies, 6 puffy stickers, 5 plastic masks, sorry. I've tried to look at this stuff. I should have put these in order. That would have been too smart. 4 golden labels. Excuse me. I've lost one of them. Oh, I had this. I sort of had a plan. There we go. 4 golden labels. 3 golden embellishments. 2 DSP. 1 set of dies. And a stamp set to use throughout the year. That was the worst version of that song ever. Okay, so to recap, plus there's an extra one because there's actually 12 plus this. So you end up with this awesome stamp set, which as you can tell I was playing with after the first day. And we have lots of good things in there. Then we got the first half of the dies. Then we got this awesome DSP with lots of blues and gorgeous colors. Then we have the big bag of embellishments. Oops, as I throw them on the ground. Our labels, which I think I picked up and put in my hand. Nice little sentiment labels with the gold edging. The masks, which make, there's 4 little masks that are brushed, which make this, which don't go with mine because I sort of bastardized mine, but look at these pretty flowers that also resemble some other things we've seen later on in the thing. Puffy stickers. Oh, I'm like, where are my puffy stickers? Puffy stickers. Then we got the label dies. Then we got the twine. Then we got the Memories of More cards with the ephemeras. Then we got the dazzling details, which I'll quit calling glitter goop. You're all going to start calling it. Nope, sorry. That was where I screwed up. Then we got the bag of shaker goodness. Then we got the glitter goop. And then we ended off, excuse me, with the embossed pieces. And these delicate, delicate die cuts that are so pretty. So look at that, folks. Like, who's all ready to start making some cards? I've already made bits and pieces. This has been, oh, here's my dies that I did when I cut my little samples from when I cut the dies out. I don't know about you guys, but I think the 2025 Advent Calendar is a win. This has been lots of fun. I would love to see projects that you make. I would love to see if anybody repurposes this, if you use the little doors and stuff on your cards, if you keep out the trays, like all the goodness. I'm going to put a little group and make a little Facebook group. Well, you already know that because now you're in the face group. So that everybody has a place where they can post and share their little like projects and give everybody ideas. Even this, I love these ornaments on the front. And I think, oh, I don't know. I think I could have more fun taking apart the box than just keeping it as a box. So we're going to see. We're going to see what happens. I'm going to end this one. The group is up. Feel free to post as you want. And give me I got a lot going on. Give me about a week and I'm going to start posting cards. It might even be sooner than that, but at the outset, the latest it will be is a week. And at any time you want to post cards, you feel free. This is awesome. It has been a lot of fun. I hope you have enjoyed the Advent calendar fun that we've had over the last 12 days. And I am, I'm so looking forward to see what you guys do with this. Okay. Thanks, everybody. See you soon.